Hello everyone, we are in City Camp. We're gonna go by Long John in Mutchupan. Let's go. We are here. Mutchupan. We are already here. Camp City Camp again. City Camp. Yung accounting firm namin, kliyente namin kayo doon sa quarry. Yung tita ko, yung Peka Mungaw, accounting firm. Kliyente namin yung Mutchupan. Okay, that is Session Road, going up to Session Road. You can see it's a little traffic, and that's SM Baguio.